Okay, hi, welcome to the EpiDoc tutorials series. In this session, Irene is going to talk to us about the Structure QuickReference document, which you will have been given a copy of, but you can also download from here if you're coming to this YouTube video later and separately. If this URL is too long to write down from the screen, which it certainly is, you can also find a direct link to that in the program for the EpiDoc tutorials series, which is here and is also linked in the text below this YouTube video. So it is nice and easy to find. I'll take that URL off now and I'll hand over to Irene.
Okay, thank you. So the EpiDoc edition structure quick reference is a PDF that you can download from the guidelines homepage, and it provides some help about the EpiDoc template, XML template. So it is made of 2 pages, and in the first one that I'm displaying, it has inside it a sort of copy of the XML EpiDoc template. Here it is. And here it has some labels showing in which part of the template some of the most common edition parts go. So for example, here you can see that you put the title of document inside the title element, inside the title statement, and repository is for stating the name of the museum or archive where the documents is stored, and so on. So this is just to show where the most common features go inside the template, and this is mainly focused on the TI header, so all the information about the provenance, the origin date, the origin place, the description of the support, and so on. But it includes also the text part. So inside the text, it shows where to put the edition of the ancient text, but also other parts such as the apparatus, translations, commentary, and bibliography. And in the second page of this PDF file, you have, again, some help on how to know where to put the different pieces of information inside an EpiDoc edition. And this is structured in a way in which you have a list of those bits of information, and you have on the right column, the EpiDoc column, information about the element which should be used for storing that information. And on the other columns, you have some examples, some of the headings under which such information goes in some major projects. For example, you have here the inscriptions of Aphrodisia, inscriptions of Libya, Iospe, and ADH and HGV APIs. And here, for example, we have that title goes under the title heading, almost in all cases, but some of these parts may be called differently from project to project. So let's see, the place of origin in some project could be called original location or place of origin. So here you can see that all these different definitions correspond to the same type of information, and so in all these cases, org place is the element that should be used for. And this is not exhaustive. This is focused, I repeat, on the most common pieces of information that you may want to include in your edition. So for all the complete guidance about where to put things in the edition, you should refer to the EpiDoc guidelines. This is just quick reference for the most common parts. And Gabby, do you want to add anything on this?
No, I think that's good. That's great.
Okay.
This is basically the document as a shorthand. If you know but can't remember where something goes, you glance at this very quickly. And there's 2 ways to get in. So it's not in any way a substitute, as Irene says, for the guidelines.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Cool. Thanks.